Hey folks, Curtis Ivito here from Spartan Blades. We're at the 2019 International Blade Show, and the good folks from KnifeCenter asked me to talk about a new knife we're making this year. So probably the number one question we get asked when people call us is, do you make an auto? And the answer for a long time has been no. But with the relaxation of knife laws and reality that, hey, it's just a good working tool, we decided to go ahead and make an automatic knife. So it's in response to the customers asking us to make it. We're also have a business near Fort Bragg, and soldiers come in all the time looking for a good automatic knife. So this is it here. This is a prototype. We made 2 dozen prior to Blade Show, and so we're calling it the Zelos. So it's an auto. It has a S35VN double deep cryo blade on it. Nice high grind line, allows us to get it really sharp. It's about 3.25 inches long, so it's easy to carry. Frames made out of aluminum. We talked to some contracting officers in the military. They said, hey, listen, we need to have some kind of lock on it. And we thought it was a good idea anyway. So we went back and forth about whether we should have a lock on the blade and decided to put one on there. It's tactile and easy to get to. One of the things we were concerned about is a lot of people, when they talk about automatic, is the action. Action's a little slow. Probably the number one complaint you get on auto is, hey, it opens too hard, it flips out of my hand. So we put a little bit of thought into how we spaced the spring in there to give you a smooth, clean, sure opening, but it doesn't fly out of your hand. So while it comes out quickly, it's smooth enough that it's not flying out of your hand and makes it reasonably a decent action, makes it easy to use. So that's it, it's the Zelos. Introduce the prototypes here. Should be in production in about 90 days. Not sure the price point yet, but we'll do the best we can. So.